Hello, my name is David Levine and I'm the president of Go West IT. Implementing multi-factor authentication for Office 365 is extremely important, and we want as many people as possible to implement this control. To this end, we put together this short how-to video. Implementing MFA is the best way to prevent a criminal from accessing your email if you fall victim to a phishing attack. Implementing MFA in some environments will be very simple. In other environments, you may need assistance, or you might want to consider enhancements such as IP whitelisting to ease the implementation for users in your office. If you would like help with MFA implementation or any Office 365 security initiatives, please contact Go West IT. We will be happy to help.
In this video, we will show you how to enable multi-factor authentication in Office 365. Note, you must have global admin privileges in order to enable multi-factor authentication. First, using a web browser on a PC, log into portal.office.com using your global administrator login. From the sidebar at the left of the screen, select the Admin button. Then select Users followed by Active Users. Once you see the list of active users, click the More button and select Multi-Factor Authentication Setup. If you don't see this option, your account does not have global admin privileges. Please contact our support team for assistance. You may select individual users by clicking the checkboxes next to their names, or all users by checking the topmost box. Select Enable and then Enable Multi-Factor Authentication from the pop-up. Once complete, you may close the pop-up. Now, one final step to complete the tenant setup. Select Service Settings next to Users at the top. Here you will see several options that will be enabled globally for all users. The first, Allow users to create app passwords, should be selected. Under Verification options, you will be able to enable/disable several different methods as to how your users can receive a verification code. We recommend that you disable the option for SMS text messaging, as it does not provide ample security. Now that multi-factor is set up in your tenant, let's go through an example user setup. Using a web browser, each user will log into portal.office.com with their user credentials. Upon entering the password, notice that Office 365 now requires some additional information to complete the setup. Click Next to continue. To set up notifications, the user will select Mobile App and Receive Notifications. Click Setup to continue. The web page will then display a QR code on screen, but don't click on Next just yet. The user should now go to the App Store or Google Play Store on their smartphone and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Then download the app, open it, and scan the QR code on the PC screen. Once scanned, they should return to the browser on the PC. It is now safe to click Next. The smartphone will display an MFA notification request. Click Approve and notice that the browser screen on the PC should state Verification Successful. Finally, the user should enter a telephone number as a secondary method of verification should they lose access to the smartphone. Click Next to continue. The user should copy the app password displayed and keep it in a secure password manager. Should they lose this password, they may generate a new one in the Office portal. For more information or to engage Go West to enable this feature on your behalf, please call or email us using the contact information displayed on screen. Thank you for watching and for taking the next step to secure your sensitive data with multi-factor authentication.